Sila po talaga yung pioneers. Amen. Sila also kung magulat po hindi lang po sila for teaching but for worshiping God. And I really thank God po kasi TFC has been a really worshipful church po talaga. And most of the pastors, they all started with worship. Nag-start po ng maliit and now we have grown to so much na minsan hindi na po sila na-assign but this was their heart from the beginning po. And it's really an honor po to be worshiping with them po today and the Lord has been good po. So, palakpakan po natin ang Panginoon po sa buhay po ng bawat isa. At it's really amazing po. Kita niyo po dito, ano na daw eh, umuwi na daw kasi yung NGW, yung New Generation Worship. Kaya bumayin tayo sa old generation. Amen. So, yun po ang Panginoon.